My mom is from Indore and it's known for its spicy chatpata street food. And today I have one such recipe for you guys, which is Indori Khopra Patties. So let's see the recipe. The first step is to make the outer covering or the potato covering. So I've taken 3 medium-sized potatoes, pressure cooked them, cooled them down and grated them for a smooth mash. And now let's add in a few more ingredients. Add in 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons corn flour, a teaspoon of ginger chili paste, salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients together. Just in case you feel that your potato is too sticky or soft, you can always add in a little more breadcrumbs or corn flour. This is done. Let's keep it aside and move on. So this patties is stuffed with a delightful coconut filling which is soft and has a burst of nutty flavors from all the nuts. So let's make the filling now. For that, heat just 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add in a teaspoon of ginger paste. Saute it for a few seconds. Add in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped raisins, 1/4 cup of coarsely ground roasted peanuts. Saute all these ingredients for a few seconds. Add in 4 to 5 spicy green chilies. Saute these and let this cool down. Turn off the flame. While the peanut mixture is cooling down, let's add in a few ingredients in the grated coconut. Add in 1 cup of coriander leaves, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of raw mango powder, salt to taste. Next, add in this nuts mixture. Give it a good mix. I've kept some oil to heat up for frying. The filling is ready, the outer covering is ready, and now it's time to stuff and shape the patties. So dust your hands with a little bit of corn flour. Take a 1.5 inch portion of the potato mash. Make a ball. Make a depression in the center. Stuff the filling. Make sure you put enough filling in the center. Get all the ends together. And again, make a round ball. In this way, shape up all your patties. The patties are shaped. I've made slightly bigger patties because I just want to serve one patty with a lot of chutney and everything. But of course, you can shape them into smaller rounds as well. And now it's time to deep fry. Once the oil is nice and hot, add in a few patties. Keep splashing some oil to get a uniform brown color. Once they start to catch color, keep rotating them. These are done. Let's get them out. Fry the next batch. These patties are crispy from the outside and soft from the inside. You have to serve them with sweet and green chutney. And since they are Indori patties, you cannot miss the Ratlami save. You subscribe to the channel, comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.